In today's video, I'm going to show you how to organize notes by topic in Obsidian so you can build a structured knowledge base where related ideas are grouped together and easy to find. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. The first step is to decide your main topics. Identify your core areas, like work, personal, study, projects, or ideas. Keep these broad, not too specific, because you want them to act as high-level containers for everything you collect. Once you have your topics, create folders for them in your File Explorer. Right-click and select New Folder, then name each one. Work, study, health, projects, whatever fits your system. Now drag your existing notes into the correct folders, grouping similar content together. The key here is to keep your folder structure simple. You don't want to get lost in a deep maze of folders before you've even started. For topics that need more detail, use subfolders. For example, inside the Projects folder you can create subfolders for Client A and Client B, and inside Study you can add subfolders for Math and Science. This adds just enough hierarchy without overcomplicating things. But folders alone aren't always enough, especially when a note belongs to multiple topics. That's where tags come in. Add tags like #marketing or #urgent inside your notes to flag cross-topic connections. For even more flexibility, use topic-based tags like #topic/work or #topic/finance. These let you categorize notes without moving them from their folder. Next, use wiki links to connect related notes across folders. Just type double brackets around a note's name, like #marketing strategy, and you've created a link that wires ideas together. To make navigation even smoother, create a topic hub note for each core area, a work hub, a study hub, a projects hub, and fill it with links to all related notes. You can also add a property at the top of a note, like topic, work, or use an array like topic, work, marketing if it belongs to multiple topics. When you want to find everything at once, use search. Type #work or topic, study, and Obsidian instantly filters all related notes. Open the tags pane from the sidebar, click a tag like #work, and you'll see every note filed under that topic. For an extra layer of clarity, adopt a file naming convention. Add topic prefixes like work meeting notes or study biology chapter 1 so you can identify content at a glance. The real power comes from combining folders, tags, and links together. Folders give you main structure, tags offer flexibility, and links build relationships between ideas. To tie it all together, create a note called Topics Dashboard and add links to all your hub notes, Work Hub, Study Hub, Projects Hub. Then, whenever you open any note, check the Backlinks panel in the right sidebar. It shows you every other note that links to it, revealing unexpected topic connections. The golden rule throughout this process is to avoid overcomplicating your structure. Don't create too many folders. Keep your hierarchy shallow at 2 to 3 levels max, and standardize your system. Always use the same folder names, tag formats, and topic names so everything stays consistent. Finally, review and clean up regularly, move any misfiled notes, merge duplicate topics, and remove tags you no longer use. Start simple and only add new topics when you truly need them. By following these steps, your Obsidian Vault is now organized by clear topics. You can browse by folders, filter by tags, or connect everything through links for a flexible and scalable knowledge system. Thanks for watching. Now go build that vault.